Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SBGL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. So first thing I'm going to do here is a little house cleaning and go ahead and just get rid of this line down there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into today, $6.20 was that level of resistance, but now that the price has broken up above it, that would be what I would now consider the ideal level of support. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up above $6.20. With that being said, though, it's not like if the price falls below 620, then that implies that the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As the week plays out next week, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 620 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? For this, going to go to another time frame, the more traditional daily time. That way things become, so these are from annotations I've done long times ago, which just really goes to show how far the price has gone up since those times. Yeah, look at this. So we got more house cleaning to do as I go, but like I said, literally it's just showing that the price has not been up this high. There we go. We're talking multi-year highs right now since the last time the price has been up around this area. So next key overall level of resistance is going to be right up there at $6.55. And then after $6.55, next level of resistance after that, right up there at the $7 mark. So as long as the price keeps on chipping away and building those higher bases like it's been doing, then just sit back and continue to let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.